Hello guys, welcome to Math with Big Bang. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? So now guys, we are asked to, solve this very quadratic equation using completing the square method. It's very important actually. Now, how do we go about this? The first thing to do here, guys, a quick one, is to divide both sides or divide each term by the coefficient of s squared. And the coefficient of s squared here is 3. So we're going to divide each term by the coefficient of s squared. So here we go. Divide here by 3, here by 3, and here by 3. As well, here goes with 3. So this cancels this. So just to make the coefficient of s squared here to be 1, I have minus 8x here. Here is 3, then minus 4 over 3 is equal to 0. So next is to take this constant to the right hand side. So now I have it to be x squared minus 8x divided by 3 is now equal to 4 over 3. Alright guys, what next? Next is to add the square of half the coefficient of x to both sides of the equation. Okay, we need to add the square of the half of the coefficient of x to both sides of the given equation. Now, the square of the half of the coefficient of x now definitely is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by minus 8 divided by 3. Okay, then square. From the bracket now, this becomes minus 8 over 6, then all square, right? Minus 8 over 6 all square. Okay, so now this is what we're going to be adding to both sides of the given equation. Okay, now let's go. So I have it to be x squared minus 8x divided by 3, adding up plus in bracket minus 8 divided by 6 all square equal 4 over 3 plus, then I'm adding 8 divided by 6 here, then all square. Okay, so now guys, let me first treat the right hand side of the equation. So this guy becomes here 4 divided by 3. Now here I can go directly by saying plus, this is 8 square because minus minus is plus, 8 square is 64 divided by 6 square is 36. Okay, now let me get the LCM here. Definitely is 36, right? Now I'm just solving the right hand side. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48 plus 36 divided by 36 is 1 times 64. So here is 64, guys. And 48 plus 64 would definitely give me 112 divided by 36. So this will now be in place of this particular guys on my right hand side. So next, I now have it to be x squared. Now I'm picking up just these ones that has square, okay, because it's still the same thing. X squared here, and I have it as x squared plus in brackets minus 8 over 6 all square equals, now here becomes 112 over 36. Okay, now why did I omit this one? Let me explain something. If I expand this guy, definitely I will still come back to this. Okay, if I expand this, I will still come back to this, right? They're both the same. So in that case now, okay, what next? Right, now this guy can still be written as x here. Okay, then plus minus this can be written as x squared x minus 8 over 6, then all square this way is now equals to 112 divided by 36. Is that taken? Alright guys, now let's move on. Next is to take the square root of both sides. Okay, now by taking the square root of both sides, I have x minus 8 over 6 is equal to the square root of 112 over 36. So definitely you are putting plus or minus here as required. So this guy becomes x minus 8 divided by 6 is equal to plus or minus Okay, this can still be written as 1 1, 2 over the root of 36. And 36 here, let me just still break some things down here for the sake of some persons. Okay, now I can be able to claim this place at this juncture. Let me wipe off this place. Okay, now let's continue. So you see, from this point now, I will have it to be x here minus 8 over 6 is equal to plus or minus. Now I have root of 112 divided by the square root of 36 is 6. So, but I still want to do something here. Here's 8 over 6 equals to plus or minus. I would love to leave my numerator in short form. Okay, so it pleases me that way. And in short form, this one becomes the square root of I think 16 times 7 then divided by 6. Okay, so this becomes x here, 8 here over 6 equals to plus or minus. Here would give me 4 root of 7 divided by 6. So next, now to obtain the value of x, I can say okay, I have it to be x now is equals to I can bring this one here. When this one crosses over to the right hand side, it becomes 8 over 6 here. Okay, then plus or minus 4 over 7, then divided by 6. Okay, so in this case now, I have it to be x here. When they are both the same, the denominators are both the same, I can have it to be x plus or minus 4 root of 7, then divided by 6. All right, so now guys, my answer could be s equals to 8 here plus 4 root 7 divided by 6, or x here equals to 8 minus 4 root of 7 then divided by what? By 6. Is that clear? So at this point now, I can still choose, to simplify further. I can choose to simplify further my answer, to break it down to its lowest term. Okay, now let's move on. So for the first one now, you see, I can choose to factor out 4 from the numerator. So I would have it to be 4, then having brackets here could be 2 plus, root of 7 this way, then divided by 6, and I have 4 here. The same thing applies here to, 4 can be factored out. I have 4 here, then 2 minus root of 7 here, then all over 6. Okay, so in this case now, 2 here is 2, 2 here is 3, 2 here is 2, and 2 here is 3 as well. So finally guys, my x1 to this very question becomes 2 in bracket, then 2 plus root of 7 root over 3. My x2 here becomes 2, then in bracket 2 minus root of 7 then over 3. Good and fine. Okay. Alright guys, this is the solution to the very question we just solved right away. I hope this guy actually meets you well. Do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish you all the best. Okay, thank you. Good.